Ah!
Now, let's see what happened here. Who left that switched on? Very dangerous in this wet.
Well, it wasn't me. And nobody else plays the guitar.
Norman!
Remember, Norman, messing around with anything electrical isn't a good idea.
Sorry, Sam.
Is my guitar okay?
Not really, Elvis.
Ah, no.
Yes, that's right, is it? Let me go on first, Mr. Evans.
Oh, all right then. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the boy who made the West wild, Norman Lasso Kid Price and his clever coyote, Dusty.